Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show a quick and easy way to make pepper flakes. So I've got some peppers that are very dry, dehydrated them for 48 hours. And really all I do is drop them in a plastic bag. You could do more than this if you want, and then kind of zip it a little bit and then just crush it. And if you don't mind a coarse grind, which sometimes that's preferred, this is great and that's all. And you can spoon that into a dispensing container. You could also use a mortar and pestle, and that's great too, but you'll probably get a finer grind, but this is a quick way to do it, and it works. Okay, so you just fill this. There we go, and then just dispense that. You just unscrew it and just tap it out onto your food. It's good to go, and I'll stick a label on it. Okay, so there's a few that I've made up. The rest I'll probably vacuum seal.